Okay, students, let's check on to the further next questions. Okay, the next question from the question paper only for 8 marks. Okay, calculate mean and median for the following data. So class interval and frequency is given. Just can you see what are the type of class interval they have given? Is this inclusive series or exclusive series? This is inclusive series. See, it is not continuous. We have to change it to exclusive series actually. Okay. So 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69. Class interval is given. And frequency 4, 7, 12, 17, 15, 10 and 5 is given. So here, this is 8 marks question, 4 marks for mean calculation and median, 4 marks for median calculation, then 8 marks. Section B ka question, okay. So first we want to calculate mean. Now, this is continuous series questions which is given in the inclusive type. This we want to convert to exclusive and have to find out the midpoint actually. What is the formula to calculate mean in continuous series? See, x bar is equal to summation fx divided by n, right? So first thing we want to do is we want to convert the class interval to from inclusive to exclusive. So as I already said, when inclusive series is given, when we want to convert to exclusive series, we have to from the lower limit and upper limit we want to reduce 0.5 and add 0.5 always, okay, so that continuity will get. See, 0 to 9, 10 to 19, it is there. When we are doing here minus 0.5 and here you have to add plus 0.5 everywhere, minus 0.5 plus 0.5 minus 0.5 plus 0.5. So we will be getting the continuity in the class interval and you guys can be solving. So see, first thing is we want to convert the inclusive series into exclusive series. So see, 0 to 9 it is given, minus 0.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, continuity we are getting till 69.5, right? So like that we have to do. From the lower limit minus 0.5, from the upper limit add 0.5. Now frequency as it is, see 4, 7, 12, 17, 15, 10 and 5. And in order to get the n, we want to add the frequency. So capital N is equal to 70. And since it is a continuous series, it is given, we want to find out the midpoint also. Midpoint will be denoted as x. Okay, midpoint will be denoted as x always. And at last we want to find the fx and summation of that. The formula is summation fx by n, no? So f into x must be done. So midpoint in the sense how to find out the midpoint here. See, lower limit plus, what is the equation for that? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here minus 0.5 plus upper limit 9.5 divided by 2, you will be getting 4.5. Same type. 9.5 plus 19.5, 9.5 plus 19.5 by 2. Same procedure you have to follow till down. Okay, you will be getting 14.5. This like this we have to find out the midpoint. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. We will be getting the midpoint. Now after finding the midpoint, we want to find the fx. Fx in the sense f into x. So 4 into 4.5, 18. 7 into 14.5, 1.5. 12 into 24.5, 294, like that continues the step till here. And find the total for that, summation fx. Add all this, 18 plus 101.5 plus 294, everything till 322.5 you have to add, and you will be getting summation fx as 2535. Now you have got summation fx as well as n also. Just the thing is you have to substitute to the continuous series ka mean equation. What is that? X bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. So summation fx is 2535 substituted divided by n 70 substituted. So while dividing this, you will be getting mean answer 36.21. So this is the answer for the mean. When we are calculating median also, the same answer, decimal point variation, it's okay. But 36 you have to be getting. Okay. So next they are asking, first we have to calculate mean. Mean calculation is done. Now we want to calculate median also in the same question. So this is also continuous series. Already we have turned inclusive series to exclusive series that we have mentioned here as class interval in the median also. then frequency as it is we have mentioned. And the thing is, what we want to do in in median, in mean we want to find the midpoint and fx summation, right? Here we want to find the cumulative frequency or CF. How to find the cumulative frequency, as I've discussed in the part 1 video. Same frequency, first the value should be written as it is, then adding 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 12 23, 23 plus 17 40, like that. Repeat the step. And what is the n you have to find as 70. F like frequency total is capital N, okay, or cumulative frequency last value also will be the total of frequency. So that is done. Now what is the equation for calculating median? Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. Okay, so first we want to find the n by 2th item. N is 70, as we have done here. See, n is 70 by 2th item. 70 by 2 is 35, 35th item. So 35th item, where it is coming, that should be rounded. 35 is coming between 23 and 40. So this 3 boxes should be fully rounded. And we want to find out the items which can be substituted into the mean equation. So L is there. N by 2 we have found it already, 35. CF we want to find, F we want to find, and C we want to find. What is L? L means lower limit of the class interval. So lower limit what we have rounded here is 29.5. So this is the lower limit actually. So L we have got. Now what is there rest in the equation? By 2 same. N by 2 is 35. We have found out 35 same as it is. Minus CF. What is CF? CF in the sense the preceding value of the class interval we have rounded. Preceding value of the cumulative frequency, that is 23. This is CF. So we have substituted CF for 23 divided by F frequency. What is the rounded frequency value? 17. So F is 17. So we have substituted 17 here into C. C is 10. Class interval difference between each class interval. 10 no. 0.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 19.5. Each class interval difference is 10. So C is 10. Now the thing is, we want to calculate and get the answer. 36.55 we are getting. So in the mean what we have got 36.21, and in the median what we have got 36.55. Same answer we are getting, 36. Point decimal difference, that no issues, okay. So same answer we have to get by doing with the median as well as with the what is that, mean also. So this is how to understand whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so while doing in the both methods, you have to be getting same answer only. If you are getting different answer, that means you have done in the wrong method. So this is how to calculate mean and median in the continuous series by the ask question. So that is done. Next question is, find the LCM of 28, 42 and 64 by factorization method. Very simple, 4 marks ka question in the question paper, 4th question only. So how it is very simple. Just we want to consider the prime numbers for factorization method. Just we want to write these 3 numbers, 28, 42, 64. All these 3 are even numbers. Right, so what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers, as I already said when I am taking this LCM class, always 3 and 2 of the prime numbers should be considered while doing prime factorization method or division method, anything. Okay, this method you have to follow while finding LCM. So 3 and 2 only considered. Whether all these 3 and 2 will be going in the each of the numbers, we have to check and do. So 28, 42, 64 is the even number. So first we have to check whether 2 and 3 is going in these 3 numbers. If any one number is going by 3, we can consider that. Here 42 is going in 3, right? So that we have considered. So same. Next is 28 and 64 is not going in 3. So we have written as it is. And 42 by 3 is 14. Then step by step we are going. LCM calculation, very simple. Next 28, 14 and 64. 3 will not go in these 3 numbers. So we have taken 2 prime number. Then while dividing with that, we are getting 14, 7, 32. This we have already studying in your lower classes from your UP classes and all. LCM calculation, very simple. For 4 marks only, it will come. So then same step we are repeating, which are the prime numbers going in each of the numbers. We are going on doing step by step, and where we are getting 1, they have to stop. And for calculating LCM, what are the things we have considered this prime, no, the side numbers in the step by step procedure, that should be multiplied. for calculation of LCM. So LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 1 into 1 into 1. That is I have written here. So we are getting LCM 1344. Okay. So this is how LCM will be calculated by factorization method. Okay. This is very simple. Any like real factor method also you can use. This division method also you can use. The thing is we have to get the answer for LCM. That's it. Okay. Then the next question is see what is that 4 marks question only from the question paper. A person deposited rupees 6,200 on June 20th 2024. It amounted to rupees 6,250 on October 12 2024 at simple interest. Find the rate of interest. Now we have understood this question is of what is that simple interest the from the module 5 actually. So the thing is here they are asking to find the rate of interest. Rate of interest ka formula what? It is denoted by I is equal to A minus P divided by EN. A means amount, P means principal amount, N means number of years. So the thing is, as I already said when I am taking class of the last module, first thing is whatever given in the question that we have to be write as given. Okay, given things. Principal amount is given how much? 6,200. Okay, and amount is given how much it is amounted to rupees 6,250 in the October month. Okay, and okay, they are asking to find out the rate of interest. Rate of interest is denoted by I, that is question mark, and number of years we want to find. See, the principal amount is deposited at 6,200 on June 20th 2024, that is mentioned 20th June 2024, and it is amounted to rupees 6,250. For rupees 50 increment happened in the month of October 12th October 2024. So what are the days in between these what is that months we have to calculate. Okay, in the June month how many days are there? From 20th June, no, 20 days. And then the July month, full month is there, 31 days. August month, 30 days. September month, 31 days. And October till 12th, 12 days. So adding all these months, we are getting 114 days. So in order to find out the N, we want to convert it into years. So in a year, how many days are there? 365. So 114 divided by 365 days, we will be getting 0.3 years. So we have got N now. Now nothing, we want to find the rate of interest according to the question. The formula for calculating rate of interest is I is equal to A minus P divided by Pn. So A we know rupees 6,250. P we know principal amount rupees 6,200 substituted here divided by Pn, principal amount rupees 6,200 into N we have found it at as rupees 0.3 years. Okay, just substituting into the formula and we will be getting the answer 0.02 into 100. When we are doing, we'll be getting 2% per annum. So this is the rate of interest calculation for 4 marks. This type of question you can expect for 8 marks also sometimes. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys understood these 3 questions: finding mean and median in continuous series, finding the LCM by factorization method, and also finding the rate of interest. Okay, thank you.